Hey guys, Nate here with Nate's Interactive Auto, and today I got something really great for you guys, Marvel Mystery Oil. I've heard a lot of great things about it. Now let's put this stuff to the real test. It has a lot of great claims that we go through to test each one in different videos. Okay, so today's test is going to be for this right here, for Ultimate Engine Cleaning. As you can see right here, add 4 ounces to 10 gallons of fuel. Well guys, what's your experience with Marvel Mystery Oil? Have you ever tried it out? Let us know in the comments below. I'm interested to hear what you guys think. It says improves MPG, improves performance. It also improves valve stickiness. So how about half these claims? Are they true? It cleans sludge from your engine. So have you ever tested any of these out? Let me know. And let's move on to the test. Hey guys, are you ready to take a closer look and see the before shots of the carbon buildup? And I'm ready to see inside the combustion chamber as well. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of carbon buildup here, but I can't wait for you guys to see the after shots. There's 2 particular shots that you guys are going to find really interesting. So make sure you check out the results because they're different results. Yeah, so check it out. You saw the before, now you're going to see the results. Does Marvel Mystery Oil really work? I just wanted to let you know, thank you guys for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. Get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video.